Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.
The COVID-19 spread situation in Navi Mumbai is getting worse by the day. The cases are not just increasing but increasing by leaps and bounds. Just a week after the highest single-day spike of 202 cases were reported here, Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation on Wednesday reported a whopping 321 COVID-19 positive cases in the city. In further worrying news, 25 children, the highest figure in a day, have been reported COVID positive. Most cases today have come from Airoli ward that has reported the highest 82 cases, followed by Ghansoli and Nerul. The new record figure is 120 cases more than the previous highest of 202 cases reported on June 18. The situation is not really surprising owing to the lack of adequate infrastructure still in the city to fight the virus and the lethargic attitude of the residents who seem to have thrown caution to the wind. Navi Mumbai now has a total of 5,393 cases, 3 more deaths including that of a senior former journalist were reported on the day, taking the death toll to 180. There is not much relief on the recovery front today. 5 people were discharged after testing negative. A total of 3,086 people have recovered so far, with the recovery percentage dropping to 57%. The active cases figure is continuing to climb at 2,127. 40,339 people have completed their quarantine period. 11,403 people have been quarantined at home. 18,062 people have been tested for COVID-19 in Navi Mumbai so far. Of these, 11,845 tests have been negative. 824 tests are awaited. The breakup of 321 positive cases ward-wise is Belapur 33, Nerul Ward 51, Vashi Ward 25, Turbe Ward 16, Koparkhirne Ward 41, Ghansoli Ward 54, Airoli Ward 82 and Digha Ward 19. There are a record 25 children amongst the positive patients today. These include a 5-year-old girl from Turbe, a 2-year-old boy from Sector 3 in Airoli, a 15-year-old girl from Gai Devi Wadi in Ghansoli, a 9-year-old girl and a 1-year-old girl from Ganpati Pada in Airoli, an 8-year-old girl from Sector 5 Airoli, a 9-year-old girl and a 16-year-old girl from Sector 19C Koparkhirne, a 4-year-old boy from Nosil Naka, a 12-year-old girl from Sector 3 in Nerul, a 2-year-old boy from Sector 23 in Darave, a 14-year-old boy from Sector 4 in Airoli, a 15-year-old girl from Dirwale Gaon, a 17-year-old boy from Sector 1 Shiravne, a 5-year-old boy and a 6-year-old boy from Karave Gaon, a 9-year-old girl from Sector 15 Vashi, an 11-year-old girl from Chinchpada Airoli, a 3-year-old girl from Sector 24 Agroli Gaon, an 8-year-old boy from Sector 3 in Airoli, a 12-year-old girl from Sector 3 in Airoli, a 17-year-old girl from Sector 8 in Nerul, a 6-year-old boy from Sector 7 in Koparkhirne, a 16-year-old girl from Sector 8 in Nerul, finally a 7-year-old boy from Sector 14 in Koparkhirne. The details of the patients reported positive today is on your screen. The breakup of 85 recoveries ward-wise is as follows. Belapur Ward 6, Nerul Ward 18, Vashi Ward 9, Turbe Ward 21, Koparkhirne Ward 13, Ghansoli Ward 3, Airoli Ward 14 and Digha Ward 1. Just today on Avas Pe Charcha, we have discussed the reasons for the COVID-19 situation in the city. The infrastructure needs to be beefed up, test results need to come early, and most importantly, we need to stop acting irresponsible. The future course is very much in our hands. For Avas Today, Shahnawaz Jari, Navi Mumbai.
Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.